Welcome. In front of me is a BLACKVIEW Color 8, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button, and from the boot options you want to hold power off. This, as you can see, changes into reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by selecting OK, and just wait for the device to boot back up. Now, as you can see, we are booted into safe mode. You can see it with this little pop-up right here. And when you unlock your device, you also will see that widgets don't work here, and some applications also might not be available to you as long as you are in this mode. Now, once you're done with this mode, done troubleshooting your device, you can go back to normal mode by holding the power button and simply selecting restart. When the device boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. Now, with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.